I'm Nora. Welcome to the Anchor at Glassworks, a new community of townhomes with a 5-year tax abatement in Aberdeen Township, New Jersey. At the Anchor at Glassworks, you'll enjoy the space of a single-family home with the low-maintenance lifestyle of a townhome. Own up to 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, and 2,000 square feet of living space. The main level is great for entertaining, and the kitchen is a dream, complete with a large island, craftsman cabinets, and stainless steel appliances. Upstairs, you'll have 3 bedrooms and plenty of space for the kids or overnight guests. You'll love this spacious owner suite with walk-in closet and private bathroom. It's the perfect retreat after a long day. Downstairs, there's a rec room, which is a great place for a gym, playroom, or a home office. The Anchor at Glassworks is part of the larger community, which includes planned retail space and shared green space. With lawn maintenance included in your HOA dues, you'll have more time to spend with your new neighbors or exploring your new neighborhood. Glassworks is an ultra-convenient location, less than a mile from Route 35 and less than 2 miles from the Garden State Parkway and the Aberdeen and Matawan train station. MetroPark station, 13 miles away, has a direct line to the city. Shop and Stop, CVS, and more are less than 2 miles away. If you're looking for outdoor activities, check out the Cliffwood Beach Waterfront Park, just 2 miles from your home. This preserve has over 135 open acres, a bunch of sports fields, and plenty of walking and biking trails. For some serious shopping, the Menlo Park Mall and Woodbridge Center are less than 15 miles away. Beautiful homes, a 5-year tax abatement, and a convenient location. What more can you ask for? You have to see this community for yourself. Schedule a visit today. I can't wait to meet you.